Can you still make money with affiliate marketing in 2019? Is it really profitable? That's another question. I'm going to go ahead and answer these questions in just a little bit. My name is Michael Granados. I have my own affiliate marketing business. I'm the founder of Viral Home-Based Pursuits, also as well as Remove Back Pain, which is a health and wellness blog website business. And I want to be very honest with you, and I want to be very sincere and tell you the truth, okay? The truth might be a little bit shocking to you. It might not be for those of you who are already doing affiliate marketing and still question yourself, but you've seen those answers. You just still want to figure that out. And I'm probably not the first person you're hearing this from. And I might not be your last person. But what I want to tell you is that affiliate marketing is very well healthy and still alive in 2019. And it will be that moving forward. In 2020, it's estimated that it's going to be a $6.8 billion industry. Think about it. What do you think when you hear about those numbers? Yeah, there's a lot of potential for you to grow. There's a lot of potential for you to earn money with this. But there's also a lot of potential for you to affect so many of people's lives, change their own incomes, and do yours at the same time in the process by promoting other people's products or your own, right? There's so many different ways about going about affiliate marketing that makes it so profitable. There's not only one way. Most people think, and you might have that same thought, that I have to do affiliate marketing the way this person does it, and it's the only way. If you're thinking one-dimensional, you're not going to go anywhere. That's the honest truth. If you're thinking right now, I'm only going to do one way, then it's not going to work too well for you. Doing one way is different than me saying you have to focus on one thing. I'm saying understand the different things that affiliate marketing has. What are the little elements of each little piece, right? It's like when I'm putting together, when I was in chemistry putting together a compound, I got to figure out how I'm going to have the same reactions here produce my products. So I got to figure out the little components on this end of the equation, and then I got to put them together to produce the other side. So I'm looking at different angles, and I'm looking at different coefficients. Stick with me here. I'm looking at different things to put together. So that is not me being one-dimensional. I'm making sure I take little pieces of everything and I understand it well. If you can do that, the sky's the limit. But if you're focused on, no, I got to make money now, I have to, how long will it take me? If you're asking yourself these questions, it's not going to, you shouldn't if you're a beginner, you shouldn't be asking how, but ask who. Who is my audience? Who can I change? Whose life can I give a result to? Who can I outsource this to later, right? Who, not the how. How is only going to make you procrastinate. Stop thinking about how am I going to get traffic? How am I going to get people? How am I going to get more people to buy from me? Start thinking more about the who, and you'll be successful. That's what I had to get into my mind, was figuring out who is my audience, who's my ideal dream customer, and then I can go out there and be profitable. But you have to do it systematically, and you have to understand the different systems and put your own framework within these systems. Systems are already created out there for you. You have Facebook, Instagram, all these different social media places, right? And then you have Google, all these different search engines. And I'll go into that more in detail. I actually have a course down below about affiliate marketing. It's my A to Z training. It has everything you need about affiliate marketing. I offer it to you for free. Sometimes I do close it because I want to focus on people who are serious, but just check below to make sure it's open. There'll be more resources underneath as well, like my articles on how to start affiliate marketing and make a living with it and actually be profitable, and more of my guides. But it's not so much if it's profitable, it's more of a question of how much do I have to put into it to make myself profitable? What do I need to do? Not how much can I make now. Do you see the differences between those? You start having a how mindset, you start procrastinating, you start in a month from today, I guarantee you, I'm almost guarantee you 100%, you're going to say, oh, this doesn't work. Or, hey, this is too much. I'm not earning yet. You have to treat affiliate marketing like it's a business. Stop treating it like your side hustle. Start treating it like your part-time, and start treating it like it's going to be your full-time, because that's what it can be. For me, it has allowed me to do that. For me, I remember sitting in a cubicle at work, basically dead end, and I wasn't getting paid well, minimum wage, where I should have been getting paid like high 20s, high almost 30s. And I couldn't move up a role for my promotion. My supervisor didn't want to retire yet. I was working my bone physically, and I was doing mentally on the computer data work, carrying boxes under HP. I was working for a contracting company serving HP. So lifting media boxes that are heavy, using forklifts, pallet jacks, and then have to come sit down on a computer for sometimes an hour or two or more and do data work, shipping stuff, math stuff, and then so on. So no, I wasn't happy, but I was doing it because I wanted more time and I wanted to rack up more time on my resume and see where things were going to move. Like that company was going to evolve, it was going to change. Nothing happened. I didn't necessarily give up 3+ years of my time to step into a role where I wasn't going to improve. But, I stuck it out because I wanted to humble myself and I wanted more time. And that's when I started realizing like I need to do something different. And I started thinking about going back into school. And then I started thinking about doing EDX training, if you've heard of that. But I said, let me do something else. A friend luckily contacted me through Snapchat, the app, and we started talking, reconnecting again. And he told me about affiliate marketing. And that's when I started looking it up. And I wanted to start taking action on it. So I set up a free site, started putting content on there. Like, I was learning from people on YouTube and blogs, right? Like you might be doing right now, and thinking that's the way I can get away with it. It's just go and do it all for free, learn from somebody, and I'm going to make it. I did that myself, and then I learned that the hard way with like these Weebly sites, Webnodes, Wix, and I figured that I wasn't getting the traction that I needed, that people weren't coming to me. I actually had to go to people. And why do I need to always go to people when I can try to systematize it to make it to come to me, right? Like you want to do that with affiliate marketing, have systems in place where you're not so longer going out there to recruit, like network marketing kind of things where you're going out there and asking people, hey, do you want to join my program? No, you want to have these systems in place. And really, if you want to automate it, you should. And so that's when I started figuring out that I needed actual training. I got back into my research mode in Google, and that's when I figured it out. I'm like, that's what I needed. I needed this training, and I needed to invest my time. And so I put in the time and effort into it, and I still came across things like, figuring out how to use plugins or using structuring my content. I wasn't getting the traffic that I wanted by setting up a site all the time. But then I really stuck it out, and that's when I was like, oh, it does work. I just need the time to do this. And that goes with everything. For me, I started search engine optimization stuff where I was trying to get my blog posts to rank in Google. And then there's other people who do Facebook and stuff like that. But I long-term suggest you have a website and a blog, okay? You are going to be thanking me later for me telling you this. It's going to pay dividends because in social media, it's great. I would actually combine blogging with a social media presence like Facebook, and then you can network on there, build relationships up, even have a Facebook group, but your primary focus is still your blog or your YouTube channel, right? And do all this. So you have to understand the systems that are at play here if you want to be profitable. So really think more about the who rather than the how. You start thinking that way, you're going to be fine. And when you go into it, think about why you're doing it. Because every time you come across maybe a failure, maybe every time you come across a mistake, you'll think back to that, why you're doing what you're doing. And you're not going to give up easily. Oh, well, there's going to be some mistakes. Yeah, there's going to be some mistakes, maybe some failures, but that's how you learn to grow in anything. Do you do that at work? You just know everything when you come into a job position? I don't care if you have a master's degree. I don't care if you're a doctorate's degree. You still have something to learn. And you're going to find out, oh, this is the way I need to do this better. Okay, yeah, that's what I needed to do to shorten the process. That's what I needed to split test. But a lot of people won't do that. A lot of people like you might be thinking, I'm just going to consume knowledge and never take action on it. That's why people are not profitable, because people come into it, but they don't know how to do it correctly. They have the wrong expectations. They think they could just push a button and everything is going to rain on them. Gurus telling them, you don't got to do anything. Let me show you a new way. And they get attracted to scams. Another one, being that they just consume too much. You just consume too much knowledge, and it's just gonna, yeah. What does that do? Like, consuming knowledge is good, but if you're not taking action, you have to ask yourself, how can I be profitable? Not, is affiliate marketing profitable? How can I become profitable? A lot of these affiliates, think about retailers offline that are coming online. They need affiliates. Best Buy, Amazon, Target, think about all these places who need affiliates, and you have to narrow down an audience that you can speak to and be able to spread your message across, understand products, understand offers, understand messages, how they work, how hooks work, how traffic works. And when you have these things in play and you take the time to do it the way you need to be, instead of cutting shortcuts, instead of saying, oh man, I will do this tomorrow, stop procrastinating and doing it today. That's going to go a long ways. Your habits need to change though. You need to start thinking mentally before you even start affiliate marketing. You need to start getting yourself in the right mindset. Start thinking about what it is you fear the most. How can you tackle these fears? Do about 3 of them, right? Write it down. What's my fear? How can I get over that fear? And then think about belief. What do I believe in? What's stopping me from doing this? Why am I not where I want to believe? Why am I not in that place of mind? And then you can start thinking more about how you can be profitable, how you can start putting everything in place. But most people skip those 2 things and they get right into affiliate marketing, or maybe somebody brought them aboard and gave them false expectations. I hate that. I hate it, and I see it so many damn times. So many people get sucked into this by somebody who, yeah, I need money, so here, let me get them to come on board, but they never help them out, or they don't understand themselves what affiliate marketing is or what it takes. I help everybody out one-on-one. I have my groups, I have my free courses, I have Zoom calls that I get on. I have people messaging me on Facebook, on Instagram, on different sources that I have to spend a little bit of time each day, or maybe every other day when I'm not working on my own stuff, to come out and help. But I do it humbly. I don't do it like, oh man, it's a hard question, I don't even know. That's what you got to do, is be resourceful, educate yourself, and inform other people about what you know. Simple. But a lot of people disregard all of that, and they want to go in for, let me go to social media, let me post a link on my bio. That's how people are going to buy from you. Or I'm going to go send somebody something in the chat in Facebook. Here's my link. Go buy from me. No, stop doing that. Go to groups. Start posting your links. I see it so many times. It's ridiculous. And they ask themselves, oh, this doesn't work. I've tried it. Or they go out, into the physical world. Hey man, I tried it, but it doesn't work. Well, you tried it because you didn't do it the right way. It didn't work for you because you haven't done it the way you needed to. So to recap everything, is affiliate marketing profitable? It is. It's becoming competitive in every industry, especially in the 3 core markets of health and wellness, relationships, and the wealth. So, but that's the competitive nature that you need. That's where most money is made, right? So what you need to do is carve out your own blue ocean in this red ocean of people. And how you do that is by having a market. If I want to do health and wellness, like me, I did health and wellness, and then I went into a sub-market, which was lower back pain, and then I went into a sub-niche, which is what yours is going to be, and you say mine was lower back pain for people who are trying to get back into the workforce. So then you figure out, what products can I focus on, right? If I wanted to focus on a seat cushion, I can do that, and figure out what my offer is to that seat cushion to make it irresistible so somebody can buy from me. And this is stuff I go more in depth in my courses. This is stuff I go more in depth when I help you out. If you decide to join on board with me, and I'm going to help you out. That's for physical and digital as well. I started with an Amazon niche website, and then I moved into digital information products as well, low ticket to high ticket. It doesn't matter. You need to have offers that are in place where people are like, that's who I want to buy from. That's what makes me different. That's why I have a unique selling proposition. When you have a unique selling proposition, then all other tangible constraints don't become one. All of those things get drawn down, and not so much anymore does your end consumer worry about those things, right? It's economics, supply and demand. How can you make a product a commodity? by offering more value up front with your bonuses and offering more to give. So that's how you become separate in all these industries. And one other thing that I want to leave you with before I go here is that affiliate marketing is getting bigger. There's even e-commerce now, Shopify and stuff like that you can even get into. I like affiliate marketing more because you can get recurring income. You can do affiliate marketing with Amazon in different ways, and you can even you can even turn your blog website into a hybrid Shopify store later on, right? And this is stuff that I've revealed to you too. I started with a blog in the lower back pain space, started doing all these reviews, singular reviews, best of review posts, and then I can turn that later on if I wanted to, if need be, into like a Shopify store and so on. But that's the advantage, because now you have SEO, now you have written content that people are looking for, and now you have a store. It's like, bang, that's an e-commerce dream. So if I were you, I'd start off in affiliate marketing and then move your way up. If you would like to, you don't need to. Of course, there are times where you want to, but think of it like that. And affiliate marketing is only getting bigger. It's competitive. You do want to put effort behind it. The people who do fail at this is because they don't know how, and they don't want to take the time to do it. They don't put their effort in, which is good because, hey, I don't have to worry about them. You don't have to worry about them either. So is affiliate marketing so profitable in 2019 and moving forward? Absolutely. And can you do it? It's up to you. But you have to have the right training, the right mindset, the right goals, the right training in place, the right mentors, and hopefully I can be that person for you, and I can show you everything that you need to be able to make this possible in every direction that you go with in affiliate marketing. So make sure you look down below in the description box. There's going to be more information, my course and blog posts and more videos that you can get, more resources, and so on. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below, and I will get back to you within the first 24 hours, hopefully. I'm always here to help out and so on. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go and feel free to do that. All right, that's it for now. I'll talk to you guys at a later time. Thanks.